You added some widgets to your lock screen on your Samsung's lock screen and then you've been wondering about the method on how you can get rid of it. Well, it's rather quite simple for us to do so, but before we get started, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to remove the widgets that you've added to your lock screen on Galaxy S25 or the other series, it's very simple to do so. What you have to do is just long press on your lock screen to enable the customization option and simply draw your unlock pattern. Now once you've done that, you can see those widgets right here. When you tap on the widgets, you'll find a minus icon next to it. Tap the minus icon next to it to remove those widgets and tap the done button, and then now you can see that the particular widget has been successfully removed and there's only the time option. This way you can remove lock screen widgets on Galaxy S25 or Ultra. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.